This is Fletch. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sync a video with timecode in Pro Tools. SMPTE timecode is used in film and video to synchronize the visual image with sound. Timecode is a series of 4 pairs of numbers separated by a colon or semicolon that represent hours, minutes, seconds, and frames and give a frame-accurate reference for the video. These visible frame numbers are referred to as window burn. In my Pro Tools session, I will display timecode in my counter by clicking on the ruler drop-down menu, choosing timecode, then clicking where it says timecode. Next, I will import my video by going to the File menu, Import, Video, then selecting the video I want to import. I will import the video to the start of the session and have Pro Tools import the audio from the file. Now I need to make sure my timecode numbers sync up. I do this by going to the Setup menu and choosing Session. Here I need to set the session start timecode number and the timecode rate. The timecode number for the first frame is 02000000, so I will type that in and hit enter on the keyboard, then click OK to maintain the relative time position. Under timecode rate, I will choose 23.976, the frame rate of HD video. Your editor should tell you what timecode rate he or she is using, although Pro Tools displays the frame rate of the video file under the I/O for the video track, which should match the timecode rate. Once I put those settings in, I like to click at different spots on the timeline to make sure the window burn numbers on the video are matching my counter. As you can see, the numbers match up. Our session is now synced to the video timecode, and any audio files exported from Pro Tools will be timestamped, enabling those files to automatically spot to the proper timecode locations in video editors and other DAWs. For composers who wish to score music to picture, it is easy to set a bar location and tempo in Pro Tools. Simply select the frame of video where you wish bar 1 of your cue to start, choose Event, Identify Beat. Set the location as bar 1. Display your tempo by clicking the triangle next to timecode and selecting Tempo. You can then set the tempo you wish for your cue by clicking the triangle next to tempo in the ruler, hovering the mouse over the tempo line until it becomes a sideways I-beam, then clicking and dragging to change the tempo. The timecode location of bar 1 will remain unchanged regardless of the tempo you choose. When working on music, you will want to be on a bar beat grid. Set the mode to grid, then click on bar beats in the ruler. You can display both bars and timecode in the counter by clicking on the triangle to the right of the counter, choosing Show Subcounter, and displaying timecode in the subcounter. Now as you work to picture, your measure numbers and tempo will properly line up with the timecode of the picture.